Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart putting together outfits, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. I'm going with is a sweater from Free Assembly. So it has the collar when it's zipped, or you could do it mock neck. That seam detailing drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist. That seam kind of fit through the back. Comes in the gold, also in that ivory with the green stripe. And they're $26. Pairing it with the white oversized button down from Gloria Vanderbilt. So this one has a smaller colorful button, has the scoop, the tab sleeve, and then the seam in the back. Also comes in that stripe, and these are $19.98. Jeans, I'm gonna go with these flares from No Boundaries. So these are high rise. They have the pork chop pockets fitted through the leg, perfect flare at the bottom, and pockets on the back. Comes in this light denim, also in the corduroy, and they're $14.98. Also going with these platform boots from Madden NYC. So they have a round toe, the foam bottom, tab in the back, and these are $35. And then for bag, I think I'm gonna go with this shoulder bag from Time and True. I initially wanted to go with this one, but I get a lot of complaints on my other social media about that bag. So this one has the adjustable strap, that top zipper, comes in the brown, red, and black, and they're $18.98. Pairing it with these crystal like cube style earrings from Time and True. These are a little bit of a dangle, but they're lightweight. That's what they look like from the side, and these are $3.88. And that's the finished look. I think if you wanted a less of a show of the white poplin button down, you can do the Time and True classic button down shirt. I'll also have that one linked. Next look, I'm going with this mock neck top from No Boundaries. So these are super soft and stretchy. They have that mock neckline, really good length through the front and the back. Comes in white, also in burgundy, and they're $9.98. On that other side, they have the red and black. Also pairing it with the Free Assembly tweed coat. So this one has the oversized collar with the lapel, double-breasted buttons, relaxed through the wrist. It is completely lined, and then that same kind of fit through the back. These are $45. It comes in this print, and then also the solid ivory. Pairing it with the Time and True wide leg jeans. So these are high rise. They have the pork chop pocket, faded, and then pockets on the back. These are going to be $22.98. Jewelry, I'm going to go with these smaller hoops from Time and True. They're $3.88. Bag, I'm going to go with this flat bag from Jessica Simpson. Has an adjustable strap. Inside it has this really pretty lining. And these are going to be, I think they're $19.99. For shoes, I'm going to go with this Sherpa platform from Joy Spun. So they have that foam, the rounded toe. I thought I saw the Madden ones here. I don't know, maybe we'll see them. But these are $16.98, and that's the finished look. Next look, I'm gonna go with this cutout sweater from Sofia Vergara. So this has that shimmer turtleneck with the cutout, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. That same kind of fit through the back. And these are $30. Pairing it with the denim skirt from Scoop. So these are on major sale online. They have the button, zipper, flat pockets, slit in the front, and pockets on, oh no pockets on the back. But these are originally $28. I think they're on sale online for like $14. Pairing it with the ivory fringe earrings from Time and True. So these are hoop style. That's what they look like from the front, and they're only $3.80, and these are very lightweight. Bag, I'm gonna go with this shoulder bag from Jessica Simpson. So it's very similar to the flap style. You could either do either or for both looks. This one also comes in black. And then for boots, I'm gonna go with these rhinestone western style from Madden NYC. They have the pointed toe, chunky heel, zipper on the inside. These are $40, and that's the finished look. Next look, I'm gonna go with this crew neck sweater from No Boundaries. So these are very stretchy. It has the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. Comes in the purple butterfly, also in the black skull, and they're $14.98. Also gonna go with the pull-on jeggings from No Boundaries. So these are super soft. They have that elastic waistband. They're straight leg, or you could do jogger style. They also have the cargo pockets. These are $14.98. And they also come in that darker wash and then this khaki wash. Going with the little butterfly hoops from No Boundary. So these are lightweight. They have the butterflies, so they look like from the front and then the side. And then big, I'm going to go with the nylon crossbody from Madden NYC. This comes with a little coin pouch. Comes in the black and silver, green and gold, and they're $16. Shoes, I'm going with these sneakers from Madden NYC. They have the round toe, just a little bit of gray with the black. These are going to be $35. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm going to go with the turtleneck style dresses from Free Assembly. So they're high neck, sleeveless, very relaxed through the body with the ribbed bottom. That same kind of fit through the back in the black, also in the taupe, and they're $28. Long length ribbed cardigans from No Boundaries. So these have the open front, the 2 pockets, really long length with the ribbed wrist. That same kind of longer fit through the back. Last year I got a cardigan like this from Terrence Guy to get this look, but now they have them from No Boundaries. These are $18.98 in the gray and then also in the black. There's a lot of belt options. I really like the Time and True braided belt, but I think I'm gonna go with the ring belt. I don't know. This one from Madden NYC. It has that elastic to pull it in. Also has the little prongs. And then I showed you guys, if you are smaller or bigger in the waist and there, they have a thing on Amazon that you can make another hole. But these are going to be $12. Also going with this top handle bag from Madden NYC. This one has the removable crossbody strap, the front little pocket. These are $22. It also comes in the full black, the black on black. Earrings, I'm going to go with these dangles from Time and True. So these are $3.88, really nice and lightweight. Boots, I'm going to go with these riding boots. They're from the brand Wherever. So it says Feel the Extreme Comfort. And it's from the Bear Traps brand. They're $40. These also come in wide width. And they also come in black with the silver. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm going to go with the Time and True. Next look, I'm going with the Time and True leggings. So these are super stretchy and comfortable. They have them in the navy, black, gray, and I think they're $6. Yeah, $6.98. I'm going to go with the navy. They don't have them here, but I was looking for the George T in the men's department. That's what I'm wearing today. These are really comfortable, and they have a good length on them for leggings. So they're under $6. They have lots of colors. I'm going to just grab this athletic work style. This one has the crew neckline. It also has the moisture wicking material. They're $8.98. They also have gray, blue, the burgundy, and black. And then in the boys department, I tried it on. I'm usually a small medium. I fit in the boys at 14-16. So I would say medium for that size, and then, or smaller. And then for large, maybe extra large, you could do the 2XL. And then sometimes they also have husky online, but these are only $9.98. So I love this print. They also have the red and black buffalo check, green, navy, solid black. And jewelry, I'm going to go with these small studs from Time and True. They're $3.88. Bag, I'm going to go with the Sherpa crossbody. They do have some other options. I know they have a top handle bag that they don't have in the store. Oh wait, they have those crossbodies. We'll do that one. These are from No Boundaries. They have this new Sherpa style. We also saw the black. They have some other colors, and they're $11.98. Boots, I'm going to go with these platform style from Time and True. They have that round toe, the foam bottom. These are genuine suede. Comes in the camel. They have black. We saw silver and then one other color. And then they also have really good colors online. I know they have burgundy online, and they're $24.98. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm going to go with the pull-on wide leg pants from Lee. So these are high-rise. They're really stretchy. They have the side pocket. $26.98. In this brown, also comes in the burgundy. They have a gray pinstripe and solid black. Also going with the crew neck ribbed long sleeve white top from No Boundaries. So they come in lots of colors. I shared it in the leopard and a try-on haul. Also that floral also comes in burgundy, green, brown, red, teal, gray, and they're $7.98. And then I'm also going with this crop Sherpa style moto jacket. Has the smaller collar, lapel side zipper on the wrist, and then that same fit through the back. Comes in the ivory, also in the black. These look like they are I would say true to size, but if you wanted a little oversized, you could size up, and they're $19.98. Jewelry, I'm gonna go with these braided hoops from Time and Truth. So you have both the silver and the gold, and they're $3.88. Also going with this knotted headband from Time and Truth. So this has the faux leather with the plush trim. Bag, I'm gonna go with, I guess this one from Jessica Simpson. This has the top handle, also the shoulder strap. They're $34. It also comes in the blue, and then we saw it in a black with the camo. And then for shoes, I'm gonna go with these sneakers, but there's really a bunch of options. These are from Madden NYC. They're the chunky style. These also come in some other colors. They're $35. Could also do these from No Boundaries. They have that round toe, chunky heel. These are $24. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with this skirt from Time and True. So it has an elastic waistband. It's pretty fitted, and then has a slit. These are $16.98, and then they also have the matching top. I'm not gonna go with the top, but I just want to show you guys. It has that mock neck. It's fitted through the wrist, also in the body, and also $16.98. Also going with this crew neck sweater from Time and True. So these have that rib neckline. It's a relaxed fit with the ribbed bottom. Comes in green, black, blue, pink, burgundy, and white. I'm gonna go with the gray. Also pairing it with this trench coat from Time and True. So this one has that oversized collar, full buttons, belt at the waist, has the side pockets with the flap in the back. Comes in black, also in the khaki, and they're $29.98. And I'm going with these hoops from Time and True. So these have that rhinestone, the clasp back, they're $3.88. Bag, I'm gonna go with this option from Time and True. So it has the top handle, that top zipper, the little side compartment with the two pockets. These are $24. Also going with these flares from Lace. So these have an elastic waistband, they're pull-on. They have the seam detailing in the front, pockets in the back, in the mid-tone. Also comes in the gray, and they are $27.98. I'm gonna go with the gray. And then I'm pairing it with the Croc boots from Time and True. So these have a square toe, chunky heel. They have a zipper on the inside, and they're $29.98. And that's the finished look. Pairing it with this rib top from Celebrity Pink. So these have that squared neckline. It's fitted through the wrist, also in the body, and then that same fit through the back. I did get a comment I saw in the last shop with me that there was a lot of this brand in like Madden NYC, and I have to disagree. I think that this brand fits me better than most, because if you have an hourglass shape, these things do fit, but if I get like Time and True, it's more like loose in the tummy area, and I kind of just like look a little more frumpy. So I do like this brand if you have an hourglass or pear shape. Comes in the burgundy, also in the black, and they're $14.50. I'm gonna go with the burgundy. Going with this poncho from Time and True. So this one has the clefts, the fringe bottom, same kind of fit through the back. Comes in this black and white. I think there's also a teal print, and they're $24.97. Also going with this earring and necklace set. I have this one in the gold. I really love it. You get the necklace and the earrings for $15.94. And then I'm pairing it with this top handle bag from Time and True. So this one has the little clasp. It has the removable shoulder strap. Also comes in the pink, and these are $22. And then I'm pairing it with the burgundy boots from Time and True. These have the pointed toe, the knit top with a chunky heel. Comes in the burgundy, also in the black, and they're $29.98. And that's the finished look. The first look, I'm going with this jacket from Celebrity Pink. So this one has the oversized collar, full tortoise buttons, drop sleeve with the elastic on the wrist, the same kind of fit through the back, and the ivory also comes in that teddy bear brown, and these are going to be $27.50. Pairing it with the wide leg trousers from Free Assembly. So these have a high rise. They have this little belt with a side trouser style pocket, relax and flowy through the leg, and then trouser style pockets in the back, and they're $29. Also going with this crew neck sweater from Free Assembly. So these are super soft. They have that higher neckline, the band, it's a relaxed fit. There's the large. Also comes in the solid black. They have purple, the black and white stripe, and those are $18. Pairing it with the top handle bag from Time and True. So this has the adjustable little toggle. It's really like nice quality hardware. This snap closure, a shoulder strap, lots of zippered compartments in the brown, black, and purple. I'm gonna go with the filigree hoops from Time and True. So these have that snap closure. They're nice and lightweight, and these are $3.88. Shoes, I'm gonna go with the leopard belly flats. I would probably do a leopard pump or even like maybe a brown pump, but they don't have any here today, so I'm just gonna go with the leopard. I think it'll tie in the browns nicely. These are $12.98, and that's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with the bomber jacket from No Boundaries. So this has the ribbed neckline, ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom, that same fit through the back. $18.98, also comes in the camo. Also pairing it with this ribbed top from Time and True. So these have a crew neckline fitted through the body, also through the wrist, and the white, brown. There's this floral, the burgundy, gray, green, teal, leopard, red, and black. And they're $7.98. Going with the black faux leather skort from Celebrity Pink. These have that side button, built-in shorts. These are a little on the shorter end with pockets in the back. This is the medium, so it looks like it is true to size. Also pairing it with the smaller hoops from Time and True. So these are a little on the flatter, and these also come in gold, and they're $3.88. I'm gonna go with the flat bag from Jessica Simpson. So that we used this one earlier. It has a mix of gold. This one has only silver. It has the adjustable strap. These are $28. Also going with the ballet flats from Time and True. So these have that round toe. These are completely studded. The bottoms look like they're $19.98. And that's the finished look. If you like these videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, because I'm putting my schedule together for October, and let me know in the comments what you want to see more. If you want to see more of these videos, if you want to see the body type trends, like a particular brand. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.